Hi everyone, today we talk about the new DJI Neo drone. Stay to the end so you find out all about this new drone. Is this new DJI Neo drone the right drone for you? Before we start, I am Alan from Alan Studio. Let us start. DJI Neo at 135 grams. DJI Neo is DJI's lightest and most compact drone. Take off, land on your palm effortlessly without a remote controller, and capture cinematic footage with you in focus. Soar through breathtaking scenery indoors and out, and be sure to include everybody in a group. Photo. Enjoy a fresh perspective on everyday life with DJI Neo. From your hand to the sky, palm takeoff DJI Neo gracefully takes off and lands from your palm. Simply press the mode button on Neo, select your desired shooting mode, and Neo automatically does the rest to capture impressive footage, all without a remote controller. Take center stage with AI subject tracking. Whether cycling, skateboarding, or hiking, Neo keeps pace as your personal videographer and ensures you are always in the spotlight. Equipped with AI algorithms, Neo can follow the subject within frame, so you can set up captivating follow shots with ease. Spark creativity with QuickShots. With just a press of your finger, DJI Neo will automatically film for you. DJI Neo offers 6 intelligent shooting modes, providing dynamic angles to elevate your creative footage. Multiple control methods, compact yet capable, DJI Neo flies with style. It not only supports controller-free aerial filming, but can also be paired with the DJI Fly app, remote controllers, RC motion, DJI goggles, and more for increased flight and camera control. Voice control. Hey Fly, wake the DJI Fly app with these words to enable voice control and pilot DJI Neo with spoken flight directives. Mobile app control. DJI Neo supports Wi-Fi connection to smartphones, eliminating the need for an additional remote controller. Control Neo using virtual joysticks on the DJI Fly app interface with a control range of up to 50 meters. The app also allows you to set the tracking angle and distance, giving you the freedom to shoot from afar or up close as you please. RC control. When paired with the DJI RCN3, DJI Neo can achieve a maximum video transmission distance of 10 kilometers. Flexible. Operate the camera using traditional RC control sticks when you need to capture professional level shots. Immersive motion control. DJI Neo can be paired with DJI Goggles 3, along with either an RC Motion 3 or FPV Remote Controller 3, with a video transmission distance of up to 10 kilometers. When used with RC Motion 3, DJI Neo masters the art of one-press aerobatics, seamless indoor navigation, deftly maneuvering through tight spaces with ease. The palm-sized DJI Neo is flexible and agile in the air, making it the perfect companion for honing your skills in manual mode. Uncompromised image quality. DJI Neo sports a 1.2-inch image sensor for snapping 12mm stills. Combined with DJI's powerful stabilization algorithms, it can produce 4K UHD stabilized videos straight out of the camera. 4K Ultra HD video. DJI Neo supports multiple resolutions and frame rates for video recording and up to 4K 30 frames per second. Rock-steady, sharp horizon balancing videos that maintain clarity in both highlight and shadow areas, ensuring rich detail is visible. Stabilization features for steady imagery. DJI Neo's single-axis mechanical gimbal, combined with rock-steady and horizon balancing stabilization, can handle high-speed or large amplitude flight and up to level 4 wind conditions. The stabilization. Let us take a quick break. If you enjoy the video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you, and let us go back to the video. Algorithms significantly reduce overall image shakes and correct horizon tilt within +45 for smooth and stable footage. Content. Create with ease. 22 GB on internal storage. DJI Neo can hold up to 40 minutes of 4K 30 frames per second video, or 55 minutes of 1080p shorts and 60 frames per second video, allowing you to keep all your memories stored. 40 minutes 4K 30 frames per second video, 55 minutes 1080p or 60 frames per second video. Record sound wirelessly. After linking with the DJI Fly app, DJI Neo can record audio with DJI Mic 2 when it is Bluetooth connected to your mobile phone or directly through the phone's built-in microphone. The DJI Fly app can also automatically eliminate propeller noise and merge your audio. Track with your footage to ensure clear sound even when shooting low-altitude vlogs. High-speed quick transfer. Forgot your data cable? No worries. After connecting to your phone via Wi-Fi, the footage filmed by DJI Neo can be quickly transferred to the DJI Fly app. Transfer instantly after filming, making post-production and sharing smoother. One-tap glamour. Ensure you always look your best and shine with confidence by adding glamour effects. Just import footage into the DJI Fly app to get started. Editing made easy. The DJI Fly app offers a vast selection of templates and sound effects for quick and easy editing. Stable flight, impressive battery life. Using an infrared and monocular vision positioning system, DJI Neo can hover steadily in the air, maintaining stability even in wind conditions up to level 4. It also supports automatic return to home, RTH, for convenient, worry-free operation. Return to home, RTH. Don't worry about returning home. When using Palm Takeoff or mobile app control, Neo will return to the takeoff point after completing its course. When using a remote controller or immersive motion control, Neo supports return to home, RTH, and fail-safe, RTH, for effortless. Level 4 wind resistance, 18-min flight time. With 18 minutes of flight time, DJI Neo can perform over 20 excursions to and from your Palm in succession, documenting life's little moments with its sleek design that doesn't skimp on flight duration. Direct charging, quick power replenishment. Connect the aircraft directly to a power source using a Type-C data cable for convenient charging. DJI Neo's two-way charging hub can charge 3 batteries simultaneously, increasing both charging speed and efficiency. Multi-talented vlog, anytime DJI Neo comes with the aircraft. An intelligent flight battery, propeller guards, and more, enabling you to swiftly dive into the thrill of flight at an affordable entry price, making it an exceptional deal for novices. You can also purchase batteries separately to extend flight time and power up your fun. Level up your aerial photography. The DJI Neo Fly More combo includes the aircraft, an RCN3 remote controller, 3 intelligent batteries, a two-way charging hub, and more, providing superior flight control and camera operation for everyday to precise aerial creation. Immersive Flight Unlock Motion Control and Immersive First-Person View, FPV, flying by pairing DJI Neo with DJI Goggles 3, along with either an RC Motion 3 or FPV Remote Controller 3. Whether indoors or out, DJI Neo's compact form effortlessly maneuvers through tight spaces. This is all we have today about this drone. Again, if you enjoy it, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. Peace.